Hello, this is Henry, and I'm here to do a recap on my trades today. My first trade was on X. X started setting up in the pre-market. You can see here the 7 a.m. candle. It touches this level at 1065, again at the 8 a.m. candle, and it breaks out in this 9 a.m. candle. And we'll get better definition here on the 30-minute, even though I took this one off the 60-minute. You can see as it broke out, it started to sell off pretty quickly. The SPY was selling off pretty hard this morning, and X just wasn't strong enough to stay above the breakout level. I got stopped out here, and as you can see, it continued to make the move up for the rest of the day. My second and final trade was on RWT. RWT, I took this one off the 15-minute. We'll need to back up a little bit, and we'll see here it puts in this level in the pre-market at 820 here at the 830 candle and the 845 candle, and then it breaks out here at the 1030 candle. After it broke out, it pulled back a little bit and hovered above the breakout level. I added a little bit more size to it. I didn't know if I would get much continuation, but this one actually continued pretty well. I took out 50% here at 2 to 1 and started partialing about every 6 or 7 cents all the way up. And I had a partial set for here at 910. The high of this candle is 912.50 or 912.5. And I noticed here, you'll see here, this volume is steadily increasing. There's more buying volume coming in. I just wasn't sure if this volume was trending or if it was stopping volume. So I decided to hold off on taking a partial here. And you can see it spent most of the day consolidating around this point of control here on the 15-minute. I was figuring it would take a bounce here off of this point of control on the 30-minute, which is a little lower than the point of control here on the 15-minute. And then you'll see the point of control up here on the 60-minute, but this formed a bit later in the day. These 2 points of control were around after it broke this level here. So I figured it would get a bounce if it was going to recover it, the last bounce it would get here. As you can see here on the 15-minute, when it broke down, it came back up, put in this double top and failed. I lost a bit of confidence in it here, and it never got the buyers back in enough to push it back up. So when it looked like it, well, actually when it broke this point of control here on the 30-minute, and my last straw was here on this 20-minute EMA on the 15, when it looked like it was going to go ahead and break there here at the end of the day, I just went on and took the last bit off here. But those are my trades today. If you have any feedback or questions, feel free to leave them down in the chat. And thanks for checking out my trades, and happy trading.